Today, we're diving deep into a face-off between two of DJI's most advanced drones, the Matrice 4 and the Matrice 30 series. These powerhouse drones dominate their categories with cutting-edge features and unparalleled performance. But which one is right for you? Stick around to find out as we break down everything from design to pricing. Let's jump in. Let's start with the design. The DJI Matrice 4 is a beast of a drone. Built with industrial use in mind, its modular design allows for maximum customization. It's robust, durable, and ready to take on harsh environments. Meanwhile, the Matrice 30 series brings portability to the forefront without compromising durability. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for professionals on the move. So, if you value convenience and portability, the Matrice 30 might already have a leg up here. Performance is where these two really shine. The Matrice 4 is built for brute strength and precision. Its advanced propulsion system ensures stability even in strong winds, making it a top pick for heavy-duty tasks like mapping vast areas or carrying specialized equipment. The Matrice 30, on the other hand, is all about agility. This drone excels in urban environments where quick maneuvers and compact designs are critical. Imagine zipping between skyscrapers or landing on a small rooftop. It's all in a day's work for the Matrice 30. Now, let's talk about cameras. The Matrice 4's versatility is unmatched. It supports multiple swappable camera payloads, so you can customize it to fit your project. Whether it's thermal imaging or high-res mapping, this drone has you covered. The Matrice 30 series takes a different approach. It's equipped with an all-in-one camera system featuring hybrid optical zoom, thermal imaging, and a laser rangefinder. No need to swap cameras. It's ready to go straight out of the box. The choice here comes down to flexibility versus convenience. Flight time is critical, and the Matrice 4 doesn't disappoint, with over 55 minutes of airtime, depending on payload and conditions. Its range is equally impressive, making it perfect for large-scale projects. The Matrice 30 offers up to 40 minutes of flight time, not as long as the Matrice 4, but its quick deployment and agility make it ideal for shorter, more dynamic missions. Plus, its intelligent battery system ensures faster turnarounds. So, where do these drones fit in the real world? The Matrice 4 is a powerhouse for industries like construction, agriculture, and energy. Its heavy lifting capabilities and customizable payloads make it the go-to for demanding tasks. The Matrice 30 series thrives in public safety, search and rescue, and environmental monitoring. Its portability and quick deployment make it a favorite for time-sensitive missions. Finally, let's talk numbers. The Matrice 4 starts at $7,299, a solid investment for those needing heavy-duty performance. The Matrice 30 series, priced at $6,175, comes with integrated features that simplify operations. The choice depends on what you prioritize: raw power and customization, or portability and ease of use. So, which one is the right pick for you? If you need a drone with heavy payload capacity and advanced customization, the Matrice 4 is your best bet. But if you value portability, quick deployment, and an all-in-one design, the Matrice 30 series is worth the investment. Either way, you're getting top-tier tech from DJI that will elevate your operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.